Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
Just relax. The rescue team's coming. They're here.
Popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Our winner!
You all are accusing your friends without any evidence.
But it seems like when you think about it,
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just...
You were really, really awesome.
Thanks. Just doing my job.
It's the road. Not make it worse. I'll scrape it off. Start over again.
Hey, look, Grandpa, I'm not...
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Oh, man!
Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
It was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
It's fast to storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
Kachika! Kachika! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about! Hey, how come the only...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
What? I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
Not my town, Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna have...
Obrigado, pessoal. Obrigado, eu que agradeço. Obrigado. Oi!
Like Francesco, and well, you to be far away from home is not easy.
Oh my, Victor! Sir Top of Hat is very pleased with you.
Victor,
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be...
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto. Con questi bulloni del cavolo le mie chiavi non funzionano!